Decision making within a program. Decision making is the thoughtful consideration and selection of a course of action from among available alternatives in order to produce a desired result. Most control statements in any computer language, including C, rely upon a conditional test that determines a course of action. The conditional test either evaluates to a true or a false. The concept of evaluating and obtaining a result is referred to as decision-making in a programming language. Open quotes true close quote is considered the same as open quotes yes close quote, which is also considered the same as 1. Open quote false close quote is considered the same as open quote no close quote, which is considered the same as 0. Decision-making and conditions. Decision-making structures require that the programmer specify one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. Following is the general form of a typical decision-making structure found in most of the programming languages. C programming language assumes any non-zero and non-null values as true, and if it is either 0 or null, then it is assumed as false value. C programming language provides following types of decision-making statements. Decision is a word which is normally taken in a moment where one is in a position to select one option from the available options, which are obviously more than one. We will have to provide the capabilities to our program so that it can take decisions on its own depending upon the various possible inputs from the user. When you are going to write some program, it will be always necessary that you will have to put some code which has to be executed only when a specific condition is satisfied. These conditions are evaluated by the computer itself when the input is given by the user. In C language, there are various methods which can be used to select an appropriate set of statements depending upon the user's input. On counting them, totally there are 4 different ways to take decisions, which are as follows. If statement, if-else statement, conditional operators, switch statement,